We're so excited to announce the release of product labels, also known as product ribbons. This is important for e-commerce users. You'll now be able to put products into special categories that can be categorized in lists as well as on the product details page. So let me go ahead and show you how to set that up. You're going to want to be on the sub account level. On the left hand side, we're just going to go ahead and we're going to scroll down to payments. And once you've scrolled down to payments, we're going to go to the top right and click on products, and then we'll scroll to products and select products. Here you'll see that we have some products already here. Let's go ahead and add another product. We're going to click the blue create product button, and we're just going to name this product. You can add a description, and we'll go ahead and upload the image of the product. And here's where we're going to enable the product label. So now you can decide what you want to actually label this product. This will be for the label or the ribbons. I'm going to go ahead and call this featured. And the great news is that you can actually put a start and end date. So let's say you're running a sale or you only want to feature specific products at a specific start and end date. You can go ahead and select that as well. So we'll go ahead and select today's date, and we'll set the end date for the end of the month. And then if you want to go ahead and select the product collection, you can do that. So we'll go ahead and add a price point for this product. And you can go ahead and add in any additional information and variants as needed. So we'll save this dress for the moment. So now that we've actually created this product and we actually have enable product label turned on, we'll now be able to see that in our store with the actual product labels. I'm going to turn that on for another item. So let's go into Blue Jeans where we already have this product. We're going to go ahead and enable it. And we also want to put this under the featured content. And I'll select the same thing for the start and end date. And go ahead and save that. So now that we've actually added features to the specific products that we want to add those feature ribbons or labels to, you can actually see that these products actually have this amazing label or feature that says featured at the top here. And if we go ahead and click on the product as well, you can see that you'll see that it's a featured product here inside of the actual product, and then you can go ahead and add that to cart. So as you can see, this is a great feature where you can add customizable product labels or ribbons to your products. Store owners can now set a timer for the product labels as well, and at the end of that time, the post label will go away. We're excited for this great new feature.